Are you ready to turn your outdoor space into a Thanksgiving haven that welcomes guests with warmth and seasonal charm? Picture this: cozy lighting, vibrant autumn colors, and unique decor that make your yard or porch the perfect festive retreat. Curious about how you can do it without breaking the bank? Let's dive into the ultimate outdoor Thanksgiving decor guide. How can I create a warm and welcoming Thanksgiving entryway for my guests? A beautifully decorated entryway sets the tone for Thanksgiving and welcomes your guests in style. Start with a festive Thanksgiving wreath. Use natural elements like pine cones, faux leaves, and small pumpkins to create a rustic wreath that complements the autumn season. Add cozy elements like a doormat with Thanksgiving quotes or designs, and place seasonal plants or lanterns on either side of your door for a balanced look. Incorporate a fall-themed garland around your doorframe to create a full, inviting look that highlights your entrance. Enjoying these entryway ideas? Don't forget to hit the like button if you're ready to make your entryway Thanksgiving ready. What are some affordable DIY outdoor Thanksgiving decor ideas? Transform your outdoor space into a Thanksgiving wonderland with these simple, budget-friendly DIYs. Use hay bales as both a decoration and a display surface for other decor items. Stack them up and arrange pumpkins, gourds, and candles to create a rustic Thanksgiving display. Create lanterns or luminaries by filling mason jars with LED tea lights or fairy lights. Wrap them in burlap or twine for an extra touch of fall flair. Paint wooden signs with Thanksgiving phrases like "grateful" or "gather here," and place them in your garden or along the walkway for a cozy, handmade touch. Planning to try these DIY ideas? Comment below on which one you're most excited to make. How can I incorporate lighting to create a cozy Thanksgiving atmosphere outside? Lighting can completely transform your outdoor area, making it feel warm, welcoming, and festive for Thanksgiving. String lights are a great starting point. Drape them along your porch railing, wrap them around trees, or hang them above your outdoor dining area for a soft, ambient glow. Add outdoor lanterns with LED candles for a safe and charming way to illuminate pathways or create an intimate setting for evening gatherings. Use stake lights or solar-powered lamps along walkways to guide guests and add a magical feel as they arrive or leave after dark. Loving these cozy lighting ideas? Save this video to your playlist for easy access when you're setting up your outdoor decor. What are some Thanksgiving-inspired yard decorations I can try? Bring the Thanksgiving spirit to your entire yard with these decorative ideas that capture the essence of fall. Add a cornucopia display on your lawn using a large basket or crate filled with pumpkins, gourds, corn, and autumn leaves for a traditional Thanksgiving look. Set up a scarecrow dressed in autumn attire as a fun and festive nod to the harvest season. Position it near your walkway or among your fall plants for maximum effect. Point 3. Consider adding a thankful tree, where guests can write what they're grateful for on small paper leaves and attach them to the branches. It's a meaningful and interactive way to celebrate the season. Love these yard decor ideas? Check out the description for similar videos to keep the Thanksgiving inspiration going. How can I decorate my porch with Thanksgiving elements? Your porch is the perfect place to showcase seasonal Thanksgiving decor. Here's how to style it like a pro. Place potted mums in rich autumn colors, think deep reds, yellows, and oranges, along your porch steps or around seating areas. Arrange pumpkins and gourds in different sizes and colors for a festive display. Layer them on a porch table or near the entryway for an eye-catching arrangement. Finish with a cozy outdoor throw or a few decorative pillows in fall hues on any outdoor seating to make your porch look warm and inviting. Thinking of sprucing up your porch? Don't forget to subscribe for more seasonal decor tips like these. How can I set up a festive Friendsgiving tablescape on a budget? A beautiful tablescape is key to setting the Friendsgiving vibe, and you don't have to spend a lot to make it look amazing. Use affordable table runners or placemats in autumn colors like burnt orange, deep green, and mustard yellow. Layer these to create a rustic, cozy look that's perfect for fall. Repurpose old wine bottles or mason jars as vases. Add some fresh or faux flowers in fall colors to brighten up the table with seasonal charm. Scatter candles or LED tea lights across the table to create a soft, inviting glow that makes everyone feel right at home. Enjoying these tips? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend. What are some unique Thanksgiving outdoor decoration ideas? Why not stand out this Thanksgiving with some unique outdoor decor? Here are some creative ideas that will add a fun twist to your traditional decorations. Turkey lanterns. Use lanterns with turkey-themed cutouts or stickers to light up your outdoor space. They create a charming ambiance while showcasing a festive touch. Hanging Thanksgiving garlands. Create garlands using autumn leaves, mini pumpkins, and acorns. Hang these garlands on your porch or around windows for a delightful outdoor display. Thanksgiving yard art. Design or buy large, playful yard art featuring turkeys or autumn motifs. These eye-catching pieces can make a bold statement and bring joy to your outdoor space. If you're ready to take your outdoor decor to the next level, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to check out the description for links to some of my favorite unique Thanksgiving decor. How can you incorporate gratitude into your Thanksgiving outdoor decorations? Thanksgiving is about gratitude, and your outdoor decor can reflect that spirit. Here are some ways to incorporate gratitude into your outdoor Thanksgiving decorations. Gratitude chalkboard. Set up a large chalkboard where family and guests can write what they're thankful for. This interactive decor piece can serve as a centerpiece and conversation starter. Thankful tree. Create a small tree or branch display and hang tags or paper leaves where guests can write their gratitude messages. It's a beautiful reminder of the holiday's true meaning. Gratitude pumpkins. Similar to painted pumpkins, designate pumpkins for family members to write their thankfulness on. Place these around your outdoor space to create a heartwarming display. If you're planning to incorporate gratitude into your Thanksgiving decor, share this video to inspire others to create meaningful holiday traditions. With a few simple ideas and some creativity, you can turn any outdoor space into a Thanksgiving celebration your guests will remember. From cozy lighting and charming DIYs to festive entryways and porches, there's no shortage of ways to bring the warmth of Thanksgiving outdoors. Which idea will you be trying first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more holiday decor tips.